Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roth. We can't activate Windows on this device, as we can't connect to your organization's activation server. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, what you have to do is go to Windows Search and search for CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator, and your CMD will be opened. To fix this problem, you have to run a couple of commands in your CMD. So the first command is this. Make sure to write exactly like this and press Enter. You will see this success message. Now, quit from CMD as we have to open it again for another command. So go to Search Bar, type CMD, run as an administrator, and there you go. Now the second command is this. Make sure to type both command correctly, otherwise it will not fix your issue. Once you typed command, press Enter, don't rush, it will take some time to repair activation. Once done, you will see this pop up saying product activated successfully. So that's basically how you can fix. We can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization's activation server. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.